Little Karna.
Surprise!
Let's learn colors with fruits. This is awesome.
Hey, what's this?
Lemon,
What color is this?
yellow,
Cut this fruit.
oh no, looks good.
Hey, what's this?
Dragon fruit,
Cut this fruit. What color is this?
pink, dragon fruit,
Surprise! What's this?
kiwi, brown color,
Cut this fruit.
kiwi, looks good.
Surprise! Hey, what's this?
Watermelon,
What color is this?
green color,
Yum, yum, yum. Hey, what's this?
orange, so much fun.
What color is this?
Orange color, I love oranges.
Yum, yum, yum. Surprise! What's this?
Apple,
What color is this?
red, I love apple.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy, I like this. Grapes,
Cut this fruit. What color is this?
purple. Yum,
Surprise! What's this?
star fruit,
Cut this fruit.
amazing.
What color is this?
Green color,
Yum, yum, yum.
funny.
Surprise! Hey, what's this?
Banana,
What color is this?
yellow.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Delicious. I like this.
What's this?
Melon,
What color is this?
green color. Have fun. Little Karna.